This video is sponsored by Highlight Tactical. The product Highlight Tactical sent me today was the double laser model P3PB. It has a purple and blue laser. The purple laser is beautifully designed for nighttime use. It has ambidextrous buttons. This is Type-C rechargeable. For 15% off, use code Stunna.
Niggas P80, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again. I'm running this shit like, hey Jay, that's my name, little bro.
What's good, Stunna Life? It's your boy Stunna, and we always stun. Check it out, man. Today I got y'all another video. I know it's been a long time. It's been a few weeks since I uploaded, but you know your boy been busy, man. I'm be taking out to the range, man. This is my first range video. I'm not gonna be on the outdoor range, so I will be indoor range. So hopefully the audio is cool, man. Range review on my P80 26. Alright, so we just got to the range. I got my camera woman right here. You feel me? We just got here. So first thing we're gonna be doing is testing and sighting in my red dot and my lasers to make sure it's accurate as possible. And then I'm gonna do a quick little jam test video on one of the magazines I brought with me today, and we're gonna do an all-around function test of this. We're gonna start out with the standard 15 round Glock mag, and let's see. Alright, so from the looks of it, look like it's pulling down to the left. I'm aiming right here, and it's pulling down here. So the grouping is, it's okay, but it's still not hitting exactly where I'm wanting. So what I'm going to do is use the tools that I have decided in, and I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Alright, so I end up forgetting the screwdriver that tunes this laser, so I'm just going to have to adjust manually to the off-sighting the sight is. So instead of aiming here, I'm going to have to aim up probably around here. As you guys can see, it did not jam and function flawless. And let's few more shots. Let's actually try out the laser. Let's see if the laser is accurate. In the middle?
Yeah.
So it looks like that's up there to the top left kinda, so I might have to bring it down some. Yeah, I aimed here and it hit there. Grouping is pretty good. Okay, so I'm aiming about here. It's hitting around here. When I was aiming in the middle, it was hitting around here. So there goes 4 shots in the beginning that I were aiming here and they hit here. Second round I was aiming here and they hit here. And then with the laser I was aiming around right here and it hit here both times. Alright, let's put a shot through. Let's see where it's at. So I'm gonna aim for the target, the symbol right there on the left. So I aimed right there for the symbol on the left, and it did hit the symbol on the left. So it seems like the tuning is almost perfected. That's not exactly where I was aiming. I was aiming somewhere right here. So I'm gonna bring it down. See if it's like it more. I moved it a little bit more to the right. I didn't move it up or down any. So it's aiming a little high. I was aiming close to right here. So it hit shooting here and hit here once, and then when I shot again, it hit further up here and ended up hitting the pin. I'm gonna let her shoot a little bit. There you go. As you guys can see, she was aiming for the middle of the target. So all of these right here. Show you guys a quick little mag dump of this. It is running perfectly smooth. You ready?
Let's get it. Yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm gonna be doing just a 4-round mag dump out of both these. I want to dump them both at the same time. So let's get right to it. You ready?
That shit sound weird.
So the Glock 26 is running perfectly fine. It'll do a quick little mag dump of it just to end the video. So I got you guys a different angle. Okay, so we got a stovepipe, just like that. And then I'm gonna get you guys a shot from her perspective. Alright, so that is the end of the video, man. Thanks for watching this. If you made it to the end, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, man. We on the road to 40K. It's your boy Stunna, and I'm gone.
Niggas P80, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again. I'm running this shit like, hey Jay, that's my name, little bro.